The 6 best exercises to grow your glutes at any age. Many men still think glute training is only for women, but neglecting it is a huge mistake. The glutes are the largest muscle in the human body, and strengthening them prevents back and knee pain, improves posture, increases stability, and boosts calorie burn. Ignoring this training means losing gains, health, and quality of life. Exercise number 6, donkey kick. One of the most effective ways to isolate the gluteus maximus at home with no equipment. It intensely activates the glute through complete hip extension. To perform it, get on all fours with neutral spine, tighten your core, and lift one leg with the knee bent at 90 degrees, pushing the heel toward the ceiling. Pause for 1 second at the top. Do 12 to 15 reps per leg for 3 to 4 sets. Avoid arching the lower back or using momentum. Exercise number 5, sumo squat. A powerful squat variation that shifts focus to the glutes and adductors. Stand with feet wide and toes out 45 degrees. Keep your chest up, descend pushing hips back, and go down until thighs are parallel. Push through your heels and contract the glutes at the top. Do 8 to 12 reps or up to 20 with body weight. Avoid knees caving inward and leaning too far forward. Exercise number 4, step up. A unilateral movement that builds strength, balance, and glute hypertrophy while correcting imbalances. Place your foot fully on a platform at knee height. Push to the heel of the upper leg and avoid pushing off the lower leg. Keep your trunk upright. Do 10 to 12 reps per leg for 3 to 4 sets. Avoid leaning forward or letting the knee collapse inward. Exercise number 3, glute bridge. One of the best exercises to isolate and develop the gluteus maximus without loading the spine. Lie on your back, feet hip width and close to the glutes, and lift hips until forming a straight line from shoulders to knees. Contract hard for 1 to 2 seconds at the top. Perform 12 to 15 reps for 3 to 4 sets. Avoid hyperextending the lower back and rushing the movement. Exercise number 2, lunge. A fundamental unilateral exercise for strength, balance, and glute development. Take a long step forward. Descend with both knees at 90 degrees and keep your trunk upright. Push through the heel of the front leg. Do 10 to 12 reps per side for 3 to 4 sets. Avoid leaning forward, taking short steps, or letting the knee move inward. Exercise number 1, hip abduction machine. The best machine to isolate the gluteus medius. Crucial for pelvic stability. Adjust pads above the knees. Keep your back supported and spread your legs to maximum comfortable amplitude, holding 1 second at the top. Do 12 to 15 reps for 3 to 4 sets. Avoid using momentum or excessive load. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support motivates us to keep bringing science-based fitness content for you. See you in the next video, and take care of your health.